Here we go again. Tide's a little bit lower. Same pier. Same rod. Same bait. Same no fish. So you can see the water's a lot lower. You can actually walk all the way to the end. But it is and very windy. It's too early for stripers on the beach. If this was like May, early June, looks like you would see a lot of different bait fish here and catch fish, shrimp, bass, whatever. But this is a great spot because it's one of the only very long walkable fishing jetties in Jersey after, what's her name? Sandy? Sharon? Whatever that bitch is that tore up the beach. See how the water color? The deeper. Wind is very, very strong behind facing the water. Well, the onshore breeze, onshore wind chops up the water. It's good for casting. You could cast up in France, bro. Normandy. Napalm, son. Smell that shit? Napalm. Okay, it's Asbury Park, by the way. It's cool. It's up and coming. All right. Later.